Hello students, welcome to AutoCAD video class. I am Gayatri. In our previous class, we have seen how we can make blocks, use them in drawing. In this class, I am going to explain renaming blocks, editing blocks, redefining blocks, writing blocks. These four things which we are going to look at in this class. I already made few blocks. These are the blocks which have made in previous class. So first, I'm going to explain renaming blocks. How to renaming the block. So this is A rename as ABC. So how to renaming the block? In the command line, type REN. What is the command for renaming is REN. Enter. Rename dialog box will appear. Here select blocks. Select A. Old name is A rename as ABC. Rename to OK. Check. A rename as ABC. Okay. Next, how to edit the blocks. How to edit the blocks. So this is a block. First, we have to copy this object. Save O, enter. Enter. Move the object. Copy this object. More instances. Enter. There are two methods to edit the blocks. First method, click on the object, right click, edit block in place, ABC, OK. Edit the block. We have to draw one more rectangle inside. Here, save changes. Click on save changes. Save reference changes. Click OK. So automatically, this block is a new look. This block as a new look. There is a one more method. We'll say go to insert or else go to block editor, ABC as a block. OK. You have to create a edit a block here. Go to home, draw one more rectangle here. Here, close block editor. Automatically the block was updated. Save changes to ABC. Okay, automatically the block was updated. Just you need to update single one and all of them updated automatically. So this is the biggest advantage in block. Next, how to redefining a block. We have to draw one diagram here. Polygon, 5 sides, enter. Inscribed a circle. Okay, this is a diagram. Already here A, B, C, B and C. So we have to redefine this B block to this diagram. So first B, enter. give the name as a B. Already there the diagram, so that block will look like this only. Pick a point, pick somewhere else, select objects, select these two objects, enter, convert to block. Okay, so here the block definition has changed. Do you want or redefine it? Yes, redefining a block. Redefine. Okay, so we'll see. Go to insert, click on B, so it will look like this. It was a look like this. So this B block will change, redefine to this block. See, click on this. This is the advantage of redefining a block. Next, writing blocks. Writing blocks. Draw one rectangle. Draw one circle. Draw one ellipse. Okay, first writing blocks. W enter in the command line, or else go to insert. Here go to create block. In the create block or write block. So what is the use of the write block? Means the write block dialog box provides a convenient method for saving a part of the current drawing to the different drawing file, or saving a specified block definition as a separate drawing file. So mm, these object will uh, saved as a separate files. So this circle and rectangle will separate file, and this rectangle and ellipse will separate files. This is a use of the writing block. So click on writing block. This writing block provides objects. Pick a point, pick a point, pick somewhere else, convert, select objects. So in this diagram I have to select these two objects, enter, give the name as a PQR. PQR. This saved in documents. Okay. Okay. Only in the total object, only these two objects will saved. So now again go to writing block. W enter. Pick a point. Pick somewhere else. Select objects. Now we have to select these two objects. Enter. Give the name as a PQ or S. Okay. We'll check. Go to documents. Go to documents. Save the diagram PQR and PQRS. So this total object will saved and separate. This is about the writing block. See PQR. Okay. Next. Again, go to documents. We'll check PQRS. PQRS. So the total object will saved as a separate objects. Separate or part. Save the total object will saved into separate. This is about the writing blocks. So the writing block to convert few elements of a drawing into block. Whenever you want to require, recall. Whenever you want to require, recall. I hope this was clear for you. Thank you. In the next class, I'm going to explain how to create an attribute block.